Yo, what's up everyone? It's your man, MKBHD here, and today we're diving into the world of free servers. Yeah, you heard that right. Free. As in $0, 0 cents, totally free. Now I know what you're thinking. Free servers? Sounds too good to be true. And trust me, I thought the same thing at first. We all know server costs can add up quickly, especially if you're like me, and love tinkering with new tech and hosting your own projects. For the longest time, I just assumed a server was a luxury for big companies with deep pockets. I mean, the idea of having my own little corner of the internet to experiment with, that was the dream. But then I stumbled upon something amazing. There were actually legit ways to get free server access, and not just some limited time trial but actual long-term free hosting. My journey began like any good tech hunt. Google. I typed in every variation of free server and free hosting I could think of. Let me tell you, the internet is a wild place. I came across tons of sketchy sites promising the world but reeking of scams. It was clear I needed to be careful. I started narrowing down my search, focusing on reputable companies and organizations. I looked for reviews, checked forums, and basically became an internet detective. That's when I discovered the beauty of student developer programs and open source initiatives. These programs, often run by big tech companies, offer free server resources to students and developers as a way to support the next generation of tech innovators. Brilliant, right? After some digging, I hit the jackpot, the GitHub Student Developer Pack. This pack is like a treasure chest of free developer tools and resources, including free server access from companies like DigitalOcean and Amazon Web Services. Signing up was a breeze. I just had to verify my student status and boom, I had free server credits loaded into my account. I spun up my first server, a modest little instance but powerful enough for my needs. It was such a rush seeing my projects live on my very own server. But the best part, it was completely free. No hidden fees, no trial periods, just pure, unadulterated server goodness. So, there you have it folks. My journey to unlocking free server access. It was a game changer for me, and I know it can be for you too. My advice? Don't be afraid to explore and experiment. The internet is full of opportunities, but you gotta be willing to put in the work. And hey, if I can stumble upon free servers, you can too. Now go forth and conquer the digital world, my friends.